right, 9:18, subway ride in Toronto with film mission. Landsdown subway. Look at this, how beautiful this area is. This is a side entrance from, I don't know exactly where, but we filmed this restaurant at some time before. All right, let's check it out. Let's go downstairs. So quiet today. Very, very quiet. All right. Make as much noise as possible. Get my Presto card ready here. Is this place even open? Are you kidding me? 9:18? Nobody's here at all? All right, that sounds interesting. There's gonna be a VIP subway ride. Really? Nobody's here? Nobody? Nobody, just me? I can hear people. Oh, there's a person there. Good. Good, good. Landsdown station. At least there's one person here. I thought the subway was closed. I'll be the only one on the station here, VIP entrance. There you go. Beautiful. We're in. Let's do, I don't know, let's do a westbound or eastbound. Kennedy, Kipling. Kipling sounds good. This place is abandoned, closed. Oh, there's this, I can hear a train coming. It's probably, yeah, that sounds like my train. All right. Do you think we can make it? Probably not. Oh, no, there's no way we can make it. Oh, that's our train too. Oh, run, run, film mission, run. No, slow motion. No, stop. Oh, no. Here we go. Next train. It says next train in 6 minutes. Oh my God, 9:20. Let's check out, see if they're correct or not. It says time is 9:20, and the next train is 6 minutes. Mine says 21. Oh, they're the same. Good, all right. Catch you guys in a few. $9:22. See some blue lights flashing. I guess that could possibly mean either the people are working, because I hear the trains honking when they see the blue lights flashing. So it may mean that workers are working, or just mean that they should be honking. I don't know what it means exactly. But I can hear a train coming the other way. We're at the end of the station. We're the emergency alarm and I believe power to shut off the emergency wires and powers are, I believe, not sure. You see the other train coming along. Still flashing? Oh yeah, the light's still flashing. There goes the Kipling train out of the station. It's going actually downtown. All right, let's wait for our train. Let's do a time check. 9:24. All right, here it is. Exactly. 9:26. And we have our train here. TTC is always online and always on time. It better be online. You don't want TTC offline. That's ridiculous. Here it is. We're gonna get in the train and the ride here, I guess. Unless we see something exciting. Here we go. Oh, we got security all the way in the back. We're gonna investigate. Sorry. Excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me. Thank you.
Next station is Landsdown 1. Landsdown 1 station.
Let's see if we can find a security anywhere. There were people working on the line and the train was slowed down. I guess it was the blue light means people are on the line. And I was filming. I don't know if I got him or not, but we'll see. I was filming and then I put the camera down for a second and I saw those guys just stuck to the wall. I don't know if I got it or not, but we'll see. All right, we're going westbound. We're going to go to the next car at the next station, see if we can find the security that I saw on the train. Angles on the camera gets all messed up once the train's moving and stopping because the gyros on it, I guess, get all messed up. All right, come on, let's go. There's the security. They're coming out. See if the security gets on the next train. In my previous video, people asked if there's any security on the train, so hurry up. There are. Just missed it. Are they leaving the station? Yeah, they rode about 2 stations and then they got off the train. I thought they'd be up to something cool, but I guess no, they just left the station. And I just missed my train at Kipling. Where are we, Kipling? Oh, Kiel. Oh, well. All right, here we are. All right, here we are. Okay, back to waiting for another train. I guess another 6 minutes. Oh man, I really thought the security was gonna do something, but maybe they come out on the other side. We're gonna check. Why not? I'll wait and check for it. Catch you guys in a few. All right, here comes my train too. So we stopped by here to check on the security. A lot of people say, where's the security on the subway? So this morning I saw some security checking people's tickets. And today we just saw 2 security guards on the train, but as soon as I got off to see what they were checking, I left the train. All right. All right, we're gonna get on this train and go all the way to the end. Thank you for checking it out. I will catch you in the next film.
The next station is Hyde Park Station. Arriving at Hyde Park Station.